I'm Andre Menezes, the CEO and co-founder of Next Gen Foods, the company behind Tindle, chicken made from plants. We're here today in New York City in the Plant-Based Expo, showing up to the US market our Tindle made from plants. So restaurants, chefs, operators, distributors can have access, and consumers, of course, can have access and try Tindle, the product that has been growing globally so quickly from Singapore, Hong Kong, Macau, Kuala Lumpur, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Amsterdam. We are now preparing for a launch in the US. Restaurants and distributors can already have access to the product in the US for R&D purposes to prepare for our launch early next year. And we're very excited and with the reception and all the love that the product has been receiving here in the USA. Restaurants, distributors, operators in general who are interested in trying Tindle and doing some R&D, developing delicious dishes with plant-based chicken can actually already have it. It's just access our website, tindle.com, and enter, contact us, and you're going to be able to send samples, make sure you have your support to do your culinary instructions, and delicious dishes can be created and R&D already in preparation for our launch in the USA early next year.